Okay, round two of what we just did. I'm so sorry I killed you.
That's alright, dude.
Yeah. Is it?
I mean, dude, if you feel that bad, dude, just drop me like a quick 100K, dude.
We'll talk. We'll talk.
If not, then it's alright, dude. It's literally just a fucking Beretta and some mags, dude.
We'll talk. We will talk.
I mean, it's better if you just shoot to kill. If you're not sure, than getting fucking one tapped in the head like that last interchange run, dude.
That's true. That is true. I looked dead at the guy and he didn't shoot for like 20 seconds. I was like, cheeky breaky? He was like, es no breaky.
It's no freaky, dude. Yeah, I'm saying, dude. This is a Beretta and some fucking mags.
Bro, my hands were shaking when I killed you. I was like, oh, I'm such a shithead, dude. We could have looted so much.
Yeah, it's just a few scav runs on shoreline, dude.
Yeah.
I'll be fine. Or if I'm really that desperate, dude, I got like fucking
Stuff to sell.
3 or 4 keys I could sell. Easy, 500K.
Yeah, true.
But then again, I could just literally take a pistol to shoreline and fucking use the keys.
Mm-hmm. Amen. You know what they call it? Amen. Joram's fist.
Jaman.
Jamakaman.
Bumbukla under the sea.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Do you bring a CMS?
No, I never bring a CMS, bro. What are you talking about?
Damn, dude.
I don't have a mag in. Lol. How much time is in this raid? 20 minutes?
Oh, I hear someone on our left. I think it's a scav.
I'm inside.
Oh, you're inside? Oh, shit. Is he shooting at you?
No. I don't even know where the guy is. I'm on 3rd floor.
Oh, fuck.
Did you not just walk here? We spawned so close to it.
Yeah, I mean... I was just creeping, dude.
Alright, I'm in tile.
I think I just saw a guy.
Alright, let me know when you're walking into tile and from what door. If it's close to extract or not.
I'm still by the extract. Cause I heard a guy on our left. I think I'm good. I might run over there. Oh shit, there's a guy at the bottom floor.
Of
He's
the
moving up.
On, close to you?
Yeah.
So
I
from
think
the...
Yeah, just shoot everybody, dude. Shoot everybody.
Where are you? Can you just get here? Hello?
What happened?
Can you get into the room?
Alright, I'm coming up. About to walk into bathroom.
Okay, cool. Close the door. Loot that guy. He has a scav backpack. Bro, that was such late reactions from me. I'm on the other end.
Yeah.
Is that you running?
Yeah, that's me running. I'm running to the toilet.
To the toilets? Oh, the spot?
Yeah, the spot. I gotta search for the mags. I have hella juice on me.
My boy got the juice. How much is an antique book?
shit.
What happened?
Someone's popping off, dude. Still in the bathroom.
I'm in the office upstairs. This
Oh,
guy has a
shit.
helmet.
Someone's in here with me.
Really? Can you come closer to the door I exited out on?
Hold up, dude. You might peek me real quick.
Are you in the bathroom stall?
Yeah.
Can you stay there?
Yeah, I'm still in here.
Wow, he blacked my arm.
You kidding? You got him?
Yeah, I killed him.
Alright, I'm coming out.
Okay, you can do your thing. Switch places, switch places. The guy blacked my armor too.
Alright.
I'm gonna pop a painkiller.
You're in the toilet, right?
Yeah.
Spot?
Close the door or something. Always close the door.
Alright. I closed it.
Okay. Did you loot everything?
The other guy? No, I didn't loot him at all.
Like, can you close the back door too?
Yeah, I'm about to do that.
Oh, he had a pretty big rig. That's you, right?
Yeah, that's me.
I'm gonna go upstairs and take the guy's helmet. I just got opachki'd on.
You alright?
Yeah,
Where you at?
third floor.
I'm okay.
Killed one.
Oh shit.
Killed one.
Yeah, that's the guy shooting me. Holy shit.
Was you?
Yeah, that's me.
This guy had an SVD.
Yeah, I saw his gun poking through the door.
Did you take the SVD? Take that fucking SVD, cuz. Do you need armor?
Yeah. Hold up. Just making sure I don't die here.
Okay, I'm hurting.
Are you upstairs, right?
Yeah, there's like a scav dead bodies. I need to leave, by the way. My everything's blacked.
Alright. Oh,
That's a
shit.
scav. That's a scav. I can kill him. Are you in the room?
Huh?
Are you in the
Yeah,
room?
I'm in the room.
I can
yeah.
kill him. Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead. But there's a guy walking up the stairs on the other side.
Oh, we're pinched.
My door is fucking fucked. Yeah, I think we need to leave.
You're there running on metal.
Yeah, he's on the...
Can you watch the hall down from the opposite side of me? I killed him. Where are you? Oh god,
right here.
dude. Okay,
Oh,
well,
see?
look at all these bodies I killed. Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, loot up, dude. And, let's get out of here.
Okay. I don't even want these guns. Let me know if you hear something walking, creeping. This guy. Wallet, nice. These round pliers.
I think I hear someone. Oh, he got me.
Oh shit.
Bro, I don't know how I didn't kill him, dude. I think one of the bullets ricocheted off.
Player scav hit a Entar. I'm out.
You out? Yeah, get out of there.
Man. So I'm literally gonna buy you contacts.
No, I mean, I had him, dude. I don't know. Probably the two black arms. That's why I didn't kill him. Because I shot straight at his dome.
Really?
Yeah.
I shot at his helmet.
Yeah, I shot straight at his fucking dome, dude. I mean, you can loot the fucking SVD off me, but I don't know. It's just 30k or 40k.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
You know,
I got a blood set. Is that worth a lot?
a blood set. I think it's like 30k maybe.
There was no players.
Is 20k.
Nice.
Ah, yeah, dude. Fucking.
Wait, I killed a player? What the fuck? I don't remember that.